Hey, it's Deborah with Traveling Well for Less. Today we're at the Park MGM. It reopened and we're going to take a look, so come on. You're invited on this Park MGM Las Vegas room tour. I stayed at the newly reopened smoke-free Park MGM Hotel and Casino on reopening night. I booked the lowest price room, a Park MGM King room, and was upgraded to a Park MGM King room strip view. My room was in the Nomad Hotel Tower on the 28th floor. On Traveling Well for Less, you learn how to travel more, spend less. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. In the elevator lobbies of floors 27 through 32, there is a different wire sculpture created by David Oliveira. A Richard Tussman lighted lake scene in the center of the room hallways is on each floor. Pro tip. The color scheme of the Park MGM Las Vegas rooms are green or red. If you have a preference, ask while checking in. Rooms are sealed with a sticker so you know it has been cleaned. The 406 square foot Park MGM King room features an alcove bed with 2 bedside lights. Each room has blackout shades so you can leave the glitz and lights of the Las Vegas Strip on the Strip. There are 2 outlets and USB ports on each side of the bed. The walls are decorated with photos from Dimitri Costi and Clement Jolin, drawings and paintings by Alicia Gaylor, and mixed media from Beth Hockel. There's a phone on the table farthest from the door. A 50-inch LED TV sits on the wall opposite the bed. Strip view rooms have a mirrored closet with hangers, an iron, and ice bucket with glasses. Rooms have a sofa-sized window seat that comfortably seats 4 people. Although long and roomy, it is not a sofa bed. In front of the window is a large table with a single leather chair. The hotel left a note explaining that masks are required in all public spaces, including the pool, and detailing the housekeeping procedures. A small amenity kit contains a Park MGM Las Vegas washable face mask and a travel-sized bottle of hand sanitizer. This room overlooks the Park MGM Pool Oasis. The pool with the terracotta colored concrete is a Nomad pool. It is only open seasonally. There's a link in the description so you can watch my Park MGM pool tour video. 2 outlets, 2 USB ports, HDMI port, and an internet connection are on the wall below the TV. In the entryway hall is a small laptop safe and 2 leather coat hooks. The bathroom has a single sink with ample counter space, large mirror, and a small makeup mirror. This room has a tub and shower combination with an adjustable handheld shower head. Next to the tub was a shelf with towels and a hairdryer. The toilet is in an alcove, but there is not a separate door on the toilet. There are 2 towel hooks on the wall opposite the sink. This is a standard king room at the Park MGM, and I'm quite happy with it. It's an alcove room. I believe they're all alcove rooms because you've got this little bed thing. The bed's in the alcove. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I love that it has a tub. You know, basic room has a tub, which is a big bonus, especially after a long day walking the strip. The only thing I don't like is the connecting door. This I don't like. Given that it's their first day of opening and accommodations probably very low, it would have been nice to have a room without a connecting door. It's just something that I'll probably want to make note of in the future because I'm not a big fan of connecting rooms unless I'm traveling with someone that I need to have a connecting room with. But all in all, so far so good. Check-in was a little different. They prefer that you don't go to the front desk to check in. They prefer that you use their app and check in online or approach someone holding a tablet, similar to checking in at any Andaz location. The link did not work for me, so I ended up having to go to the front desk, and check-in was very smooth and efficient. So I'm gonna check out the rest of the hotel. So come on, let's take a look. Later that evening, a family with a screaming little girl checked into the room next to me, so I moved to a different room. The new room was a Park MGM King room with a park view. Keep watching for that room tour. This room is very similar to the Strip View room, but with a few key differences. It doesn't have the mirrored closet, but has a single long wall mirror. Instead of a tub, there is a large walk-in shower. The bathroom door doubles as a closet door. When the door to the bathroom is closed, the closet is exposed, and vice versa. A vertical 4-drawer cabinet is in the closet. The amenity kit in this room had a mask, hand sanitizer gel, and 2 finger tools to push the elevator button. That was the Park MGM Las Vegas room tour. A tour of the Park MGM King Room Strip View and a tour of the Park View Room, both in green. If you like red, you can ask to have a red room. Although if you say that fast, it kind of sounds like red rum, and then thoughts of The Shining come to mind. If you enjoyed this Vegas video, hit that like button. Remember to subscribe to the channel to watch more travel videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.